In this video, we are going to learn how to recover Cisco router forgotten password. So I am going to use a 2911 series router. So let's configure a enable password here. This router is booted. Give it some time. Yes, it is booted. Suppose I have configured a enable secret password, and now suppose somebody has restarted or I have restarted the router. So it is demanding password and not letting me in without the password. So I have to break this password in order to gain access to the router. So what I will do, I will take the console of the router, just connect the PC with your console cable. Now I will take the terminal of this router. You can use SSH or anything you want, like you can use putty. So let's restart the router. And while the router is restarted, go to your PC and plus control plus page break. If you are in the laptop, you have to press the FN plus break command, so it will return to the Roman mode. So here you can type help command to get you an idea what commands work in this mode. So we have to change the register value. And I will tell you what is the default register value. The default register value is 0x2102. I will tell you later how to view that. So first of all, we will change the config using config command 0x2142 to reset the router. So once you hit this command, now it's time to restart the router. So once the router will, you will be prompted by yes or no dialog because we have reset it. So now we can go to the privilege mode easily without having any password. So to change that, so I will tell you first what is the default value. The default value is 0x2102. We have changed 0x2142 to bypass the password. So if you do not change the register value, no changes will occur in your device. For example, if you change here the host name to something like this, and you do not change the default value. So if you reload this router, it will again welcome you with a prompt message because 0x2142 always will reset, always will welcome with your initial configuration dialog. So we need to change this value first. So configure register 0x2102, that is the default value. And now look at the value here. Configuration is 2142 will be 0x2102 at the next reload. So before making any changes, you need to reload your router. Let's change the host name. So let's see if it preserve our changes or not. Yes. After changing the config register value, only you will be able to change any configuration on your router or switch. Thanks for watching.